Eric Wrench. Good morning. Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
All right. I'm trying to figure out what I got. I got paperwork I got to match up. Give me just a second. Okay, I'm going to send you back to talk to the prosecutor because we got 4 open files on you. 3 of them are Romulus that you talked to the prosecutor about today. One of them was a Van Buren file, so it wasn't, I don't know why.
I'm not working. Next week for you guys too.
Sorry, Judge, what did you have for Mr. Wrench?
I'm showing 4 files, 3 Romulus. 2 of them are drove while license suspended. 1 is unregistered vehicle, but we've also
Right.
got a February 2022 Van Buren drove while license suspended.
Oh, I didn't realize he had that one. Yeah, send
I
it
didn't
back
think-
and we'll
I
deal
didn't
with that
think
one
you
too.
did. So
Or,
we'll
you know,
send you
Judge,
back.
can we dismiss the Van Buren one because he's dealing with the Romulus ones? Is that okay?
Okay with you?
Yeah, let's just do
Yes,
that,
we
Judge.
can.
That's
Thank
fine.
you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that, sir.
Thank you, Madam Prosecutor.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
Okay, so that was dismissed. All right, so the paperwork says that you're going to plead on 2 of these charges. You're going to plead to no valid operator's license on person.
Yes.
Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Could result in some more sanctions from Secretary of State. You understand that? All right, won't be points, but they could suspend you some longer time. All right, and did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
Understand those rights and the options they give you? All right, so what she's asking me to do is take, no operator's license on person please dismiss the 2 drove while license suspended and the unregistered vehicle charge. That's the way you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. On September 3rd, 2024, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? And on October 26th, 2024, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? In both of those dates, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? All right, I'll accept your plea to the added charges. I'll dismiss all 3 of these original charges. Are you working? Where? How long?
Training for construction, Aerostar construction.
What kind of construction?
It's company Aerostar.
Aerostar.
Concrete.
Okay. All right. So are you full-time with Aztec?
Yes.
Good. You're just looking for a better job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, getting my license back. Getting my record from there. I was taking a lot of these on license. You guys are, we see y'all old cars and.
We're the last ones?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, yeah. I got everything.
Okay.
Email this court date happened.
So how close are you to getting a license?
It says I only got 2 more tickets from you guys, and once I pay those 2, I'll fully have a license. I paid 5 for the first, 2 for the phone.
All right. Oh, man, you lost lots of money. So the only thing that's stopping us from his license is no proof of insurance, right? That's the only thing we're defaulting on now?
And the no insurance, he has 2 of those. The no insurance,
Yeah,
$498.
so that's $1,000.
That's not.
But there's also says he's got one that needs to be a rain. Was that the Van Buren one? What was the Van Buren file under?
Yes, this Van Buren file is the wrong file. This one, we need another Van Buren. file.
Ending in 7-7?
Yeah.
That's the one that says it needs to be rain.
Yeah.
What's that?
I think that was in DWLS as well.
So he had more than one DWS conviction.
D. Anthony Lennox, warrant payment, please. Yep, thank you.
He's got this live DWS from Van Buren.
This, lately, they disposed it. But this one, he owes like 580.
How did this one, when you don't sleep?
There was allocated, this one was a
You
fully,
didn't really get down here.
right. So,
All right, so that's, this file is included in this balance of yours.
yes, yes,
So the other four we're dismissing.
yes, the other question.
Okay, all right. Did you catch all that?
Yeah.
They sent up one file that you've already been sentenced on. I thought that was the open file and dismissed that one. Now we're fixing, we're dismissing the one that you've never done anything on
Okay.
as per the prosecutor. And the other ones included in that big balance I'm looking at right here was 2350.
Okay.
All right. All right. So what it looks like here, am I right, ladies? If he pays the $1,000, then we can free him up to go get his license straight.
Yes.
Because it's just the no insurances.
Yeah,
So the only thing that stopped, from our standpoint, the only thing that's stopping you from getting your license reinstated is those two.
right.
Because
Yeah,
we won't clear you. I mean, we'll work with payments on the other stuff, but we won't clear you to get your license until those are paid.
so I have to pay that.
Yeah, this is all money you owe. Up the 2350, I haven't sentenced on today's. The 2350, that's all money you owe this court. Of the 2350, 1,000 is for no insurance charges. The no insurance charges are the only ones that are stopping you from getting your license. Okay, right? So do you have any idea how soon you can get that paid so you can go get valid driving privileges?
I would say, excuse me, the max 2 months, just because I got
Okay.
bills in my
Okay.
everyday life, man.
All right,
And then I'm still paying on Detroit, and I'm paying on like 3 counties.
okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a note. I'm gonna send you downstairs to set all this up. I'm gonna make a note that you're gonna set up a payment plan or payment arrangements, okay? The note's gonna say the first 1,000 we get, clear the no insurance, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So currently, what kind of shift are you working?
Overnight, I do 10 p.m. to sometimes it's 10 p.m. to 6, but it's 7 p.m. to 8 all the time. I mean 7 a.m.
Okay.
When I get off there.
Okay. But you're working right here in Romulus.
275.
So you could be here at 8 o'clock in the morning? All right, so here's my deal. On these two files, normally what I would do on this type of a deal is $500 fines. Well, let me see. Usually for you, it'd be $650 because you got late fees. I'll throw that out. All right. So usually what I do is $500 and 4 days on our court work program on each of these files. So another $1,000 on that 2350. If you want to work a couple extra days, I'll give you 6 days on each file. You just do work program without a problem, and I won't hit you any more money on these two.
6 days of work program.
So it'd be 12 days total, but I won't give you any more money on these two files.
Yeah, what is it from like 8 to what?
Usually you're back here by 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It's usually a 6 or 7 hour workday. So you're gonna have a couple sleepless days. You're working just Monday through Fridays, or how you doing it?
7 days, and then with this
Don't get me wrong. I'll give you the straight 4 days per file and fines and costs and just work with you on payments. But I'm just giving you an option so it's not more money out of your pocket because you said you're paying 3 counties.
like I said, with the county land, I'm in training right now.
I hear you.
That I basically just quit the training.
I'm just trying to give you options, brother.
And if I don't do 6 days of work program, I will still have to do it still even with adding fees, less they'll get.
Less days and more and money. It's normally $4 plus fines and costs. But I'm giving you the option of more days and no fines and costs.
But I'm saying, take fines and costs, it'll just be like 3 days.
It's 4 days and it on each file, my norm is 4 days and $500. I'm waiving the $150 late fees on each files, just because I know you're working to clean things up. So I'm giving you that $300 grace. And I don't care which option you take, 4 days and 500 or 6 days and no money. I don't, you want a few minutes to think about it? That's all right. I got a lot of work. You can come back up.
I just need 4 days of time.
Okay.
Just in case they put me on 7 days.
You don't have to justify, guy.
And. Everything.
All right, so go downstairs, make arrangements on the cash and schedule your 8 days on the work program. 8 days total. Got it?
Okay,
Sure? You're saying yes, but you're looking confused.
so it's 8 days.
It's 8 days total and $1,000 total on today's stuff versus 6 and 6, which would have been 12 days total and no money. You follow me?
No,
I'm not trying to confuse.
no. Yeah, I'm just.
Yeah. Okay, good luck. Anderson? We got paperwork on Anderson? I don't see a plea agreement on Anderson. Just an adjournment? Oh, you got it already? Counsel, your appearance.
On behalf of the present to my left, please state your name for the record. Adrian Anderson.
Good morning. Would you waive formal reading, counsel?
Yes.
We'll enter a not guilty plea. What date are we doing?
We're doing September 3rd at 9:10. As correction.
Who's that with?
Judge Martin.
Zoom? All right. Ms. Taylor, you're not going to talk me out of a personal bond, are you?
No, I'm not.
All right. Are you working? Where do you work? Who do you work for? Oh, bless your heart. Bless your heart. All right, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for your court date the first time you're gonna be on Zoom. Third thing is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means no alcohol, no marijuana. Can you do all that? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? Any questions? We'll get you notice just a minute. Just have a seat. If you want to notice, stick around. Good to see you, counsel. Joshua Butts. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Judge. Judge Benson. Yeah. John Boston. Yeah. Please identify yourself, sir. Judge Oakley.
Good morning, sir. Wonderful. Tell me about the deal, counsel.
Judge, we reached an agreement and I will accept that I'm driving my license, suspended a second, no operators,
Okay. All right, Mr. Butts, you understand your rights and options? And you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on April 7, 2026? And on that day, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, counsel? So am I. I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now, sir? Still suspended? Oh, good. Good. What other hoops you got to jump through? Do you know? Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you, Mr. Butts?
Judge, I'm asking for time, obviously.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no problem there. All right, Mr. Butts, 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail and $500 fines and costs. Did you hear me explain how the work program worked to the guy in front of you? Yeah, I assess 4 days on the work program on these files instead of jail time. Fines and costs are $500. The money, go down and talk about your payment options. The days, you pick the days you work. You pick your own schedule. The days you show up, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Understood? Any questions? All right, you're all set. Good luck downstairs.
Yeah.
Delph. Yeah, work program, I'm not gonna wait months. Yeah. Is it Galand? Eddie?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Why do we have somebody on Zoom?
Somebody scheduled a prison on Zoom and this guy was out of state for work and we just added him as well.
Mr. Galand, are you appearing without benefit of counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right, activate your camera, please.
There we go.
Craig is up next. There you go. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Where you at? Where you at? You're out of state? Where?
I am in state. I am just up north, close to Mayo.
You on vacation? You working? What's going on in Mile?
I'm working. I work for Pappas Incorporated. We make an emulsifier for food processing, and
That
we
sounds-
go out to these facilities and help them set up.
Wonderful. How long you been with the company?
Right now about 8 months.
Okay. All right. So do you
I was
understand your
I
rights
was a
and
carpenter
options?
for 10 years before. Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you understand the possible penalty for allowing unlicensed driver to operate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on March 5 this year?
Yes, sir.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now, sir?
About 3 hours after I was arrested, it was valid.
Good for you. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, sir.
So give me an idea what your work schedule's like. Are you constantly out of town, or is this kind of a unusual circumstance?
I could get a call on Monday, needing to be in New Jersey on Wednesday.
Okay, so you're often far from Dundee.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so on this file, I normally order fines and costs and 4 days on our court work program. With your work schedule, I think I'm just going to set you up for a failure on the work program. The work program is an alternative to jail, but in situations like this, I'll also give you the option of doing